Hi, in this video, let's unbox this cool pad which costs 1299 and let's see is it worth buying and using it. Before going further, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Only if you feel it awesome. So let's get started. Here is the box. Let's unbox this. And here we go. You will get an USB to USB cable for the power supply. And then you have this ZINQ cooling pad. Let's keep this box aside and remove this cover. Inside you will find two cards. One is happy and happy card from Amazon and other is the user manual. Let's put all this aside and focus on the main thing. Here is the cooling pad with 5 medium-sized fans and lights. These fans can run up to 1100 RPM. On the top side, you will find two USB ports for the power supply and for not using an USB port on your laptop. Here you can connect your external hard drive or any other devices. And two wheels, one is to control the central fan and its light and the other wheel to control the remaining 4 fans and their lights. Next, on the bottom, you will find this laptop stopper. You can remove this easily and place it here and keep your laptop. You can use your laptop without this, but most of the times the laptop slips down. So it's better to use it. It will perfectly fit for 15-inch laptop and 13-inch laptop, but on Amazon they have mentioned that it can fit up to 17-inch laptops. Yes, but only without the laptop stopper. As I mentioned, if you don't use the laptop stopper, the laptop is going to slip down. And then you don't really need a cooling pad for a MacBook as there is no cutouts on the bottom of the laptop for the airflow. Then coming to the height adjustments, it has two height adjustments. Next, coming to its performance, the laptop performs good while using this cool pad. As to mention that cool pad only increases the airflow which helps the laptop to quickly pass the hot air and cools down the temperature. Hence, you can find just a little better performance than normal with your laptop while using this cool pad. So if you are a gamer or uses more GPU, you can consider buying this cool pad. I have given a link in the description. From there you can check it out. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.